Alright, we made it into a new Marshall's, and they have quite a bit of Halloween, but it's all crammed into this end cap here. So let's see if we can go through it. That looks like we have this alien here from Moonlight Manor for $30, and they'll grow. Oh, there we go. Oh, will it stay up? There we go. It stays up. Let's get it back down. Just like that. Alright, and next to it is from Goblin and Ghoul. Got this little Harry Potter looking ghost for $15. And next to it is this gnome here. And this is $15 as well from Sweet Street. For $30, we have these dog skeletons from Moonlight Manor. That's funny. Alright. Then down here, we got this little ghost. And it is from Goblin and Ghoul. I believe there's a switch on it somewhere, if I can get to it. There we go. Oh, there you go, he lights up. That's neat. And he is $15. Here's this little guy here. Oh, it's a girl. It's got a bow for $13. And that's Goblin and Ghoul as well. We got this guy here from Toil and Trouble for $25. Got this book here. Almost reminds me of the Hocus Pocus one with the eyeball. $10. Got another one of these crystal balls from Martha. These are so cool. I like how they have that stuff in them. I believe these are $30. Yeah, $30 for that one. This one I think is the one that we actually have here at our house. That's $25 for that one. I can get it back over there. There we go. Then we got the hands again, that we've seen before. The hard hands. They got these little charm bracelets on them. And it is $13. We've got this big Rachel Zoe skeleton for $50. There's a light up here. Oh no, it doesn't work. Let's see if we can get it working. There we go. Now it works. Here's a $20 one from Rachel Zoe as well. It's a little tiny one. It's like got this pearlescent finish on it. That one's not working as well. Let's see. There we go. I know I've seen these witches before for 50 or 60. They're 60 by Martha. They're still pretty cool. But this location has a ghost as well. The ghosts are 35. That one doesn't work. That one doesn't work. Let's see if the little one works. The little one's 20. There we go. Oh, looks like they just light up. You would definitely have to have a whole yard full of them just like that, though. And that's a smaller one. This trick-or-treat sign from Ghoulish is 16. It lights up a little bit. All the little light bulbs. That's pretty cool. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, 17. Sorry. And Christian LaCroix has this gold skeleton. That one I can't get the eyes working on. I think the batteries are out of it. But it's 50. Here's this Novogratz pillow for 25. This mirror for 25. Here's Martha Stewart's headstones. These are 50 for 3 of them. These are, let me see. There's a keep out. Do not disturb. And rest in pieces. Here they are together. It looks like each of them's a foot tall. A little over a foot tall. Oh, that's how wide they are. They're a foot wide. So they're about 17 inches tall, 21 inches tall, 27 inches tall, probably for that one there. No, I got one of the ghosts working. There it is. Yeah, you definitely need more than one of these. Found another little ghost here for 13. This is Goblin and Ghoul. And she's got a little bat. Okay, that just went off when I picked it up. Cool. Oh, that's neat. Okay. $15. That's Toil and Trouble. So you open up the bottle. Okay, that's cool. That's really neat. Let me see. I haven't seen that one before. What else we got? A mummy cat. There's a mummy cat for 7. No idea who makes it. There's a skull for 10. What would you call that? Halloween? Looks like Valentine's Day. Ooh, there we go. It won't stay in focus. There we go. There's a pink mummy cat. The mummy Tyrannosaurus for 8. Here's a skeleton on a bike for 17 from Toil and Trouble. They're all playing that song. Every one of them. Every one of them's playing that song now. Here's a little ghost cat for 13. I think it's just decor. Doesn't have a coin slot or nothing.
We'll have to go down.
It's a ghost and ghoul.
That's a color.
Or goblin and ghoul, sorry. $20 from Toil and Trouble. I think that's about it for the new stuff that I've seen. This one here is 17, and it's from Toil and Trouble. I did miss one thing. This one's a Martha Stewart 2-pack for 30. And it has Keep Out and Do Not Disturb. I think that's going to do it for the Halloween here. We'll see what else we can find at another one.